Woo, power, yes sir. Dang, girl. That's light work for a girl. Her eyes, though, it's just, her design is so dope. I love it. Makima is that girl. She cute, but I don't know about her demeanor, though. She look damn good. Pochita. That's my dog. Damn, boy. This man all tapped out. Ooh, that look good. Yeah, he tried to get fed by baby girl. I wouldn't mind that, personally. Girl cute as hell. Hey, damn, boy, I feel you. She cute. Oh, my boy. Jesus. This man want to scrap? All right, what we doing? Damn. Come on, Denji, beat his ass. The disrespect. I will beat his ass right this second if somebody did that to me. Hell nah. You gonna get these hands. Yeah, boy, what we doing? Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Don't take that crap from nobody. Yes, sir. Damn, you let him do that to you again, boy? 4 times. Well, was that 5 times? I lost count. Show him who you are, Denji. Yes, sir. That does not look good at all, my boy. Got too much crap on it. Why does this man have an axe? He don't need that at all. Ugh. Do it. Yeah, you don't need to turn into your devil. Like, that's light work, Denji. Yes, sir. Dirty boy. Ooh, love that zoom in. I feel you, my boy. That's all the motivation you need, my boy. Want to squeeze them? Yeah.
Incredible! So soft.
Squeeze them joints. Oh, is that big? Yeah. Yes, sir. Big step of power. Yeah. He said, oh, let me switch that around. Nice to meet you. Damn, just gonna slap him like that? Yeah, that's the question. Let's go. We get into some action. Yes, sir. Sea cucumber devil. Woo, power. Yes, sir. Dang, girl. That's light work for a girl. Man, that wasn't fun at all. That was some light work. Yeah, I don't recall seeing the outro first episode. I like this outro. It's tight. Sir, Chainsaw Man is heating up. I was hoping we see more action for some more devil fighting in this episode, but they just giving us a little taste. Studio Mappa, they just giving us a little taste. But finally we got introduced to Power. You know, she's in the mix now. And Hayakawa, Makima. There's so many more characters to be introduced, but we're gonna see them later. This, I can't wait. Yeah, I just that's all I can really say about it. I don't want it without spoiling you guys. So excited for what comes next and how Studio Mappa will do this justice. I got complete faith in them. Can't wait. You already know what's going on. Stay locked in on the channel. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out.